آج اس ویڈیو میں 100 انگلش کویسچن اینڈ آنسر لرن کریں گے۔ ڈو یو ہیو اینی سبلنگس؟ ڈو یو ہیو اینی سبلنگس؟ یس آئی ہیو اے برادر۔ یس آئی ہیو اے برادر۔ وڈ یو لائک سم ٹی؟ وڈ یو لائک سم ٹی؟ یس پلیز۔ یس پلیز۔ What time is it? What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from New York. I am from New York. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Yes, I enjoy exploring new places. I enjoy exploring new places. Can I help you with anything? Can I help you with anything? No, I'm good, thanks. No, I'm good, thanks. Can I help you with anything? Can I help you with anything? No, I'm good, thanks. No, I'm good, thanks. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I love pizza. I love pizza. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? It was relaxing. It was relaxing. Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Not yet. Not yet. What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? I like autumn. I like autumn. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? I enjoy painting. I enjoy painting. Have you ever been to Paris? Have you ever been to Paris? No, but I would love to go. No, but I would love to go. What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? I like to kill a mockingbird. I like to kill a mockingbird. Do you play any musical instruments? Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. Yes, I play the guitar. What's your dream vacation? What's your dream vacation? I loved to visit the Maldives. To visit the Maldives. Did you enjoy the concert? Did you enjoy the concert? How's your family doing? How's your family doing? They are doing well. Thank you. They are doing well. Thank you. Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I go to the gym. Yes, I go to the gym. What's your favorite movie genre? What's your favorite movie genre? I like comedies. I like comedies. How do you relax? How do you relax? I watch TV or read. I watch TV or read. Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. Yes, I enjoy cooking. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? I like dolphins. I like dolphins. Have you ever tried sushi? Have you ever tried sushi? Yes, and I love it. Yes, and I love it. Are you sick? Are you sick? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. When will the meeting finish? When will the meeting finish? I don't know. I don't know. How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here? I have been working here for 7 years. I have been working here for 7 years. Would you like to leave a message? Would you like to leave a message? Please ask him to call me back. Please ask him to call me back. Did you get my message? Did you get my message? Yes, I did it. Yes, I did it. When he will be back? When he will be back? He will be back in a 30 minutes. He will be back in a 30 minutes. Can I speak to Alexander, please? Can I speak to Alexander, please? I'm sorry, he's not here at the moment. I'm sorry, he's not here at the moment. Is there a bank near here? Is there a bank near here? I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know. How long does it take? How long does it take? It takes an hour. It takes an hour. Have you been waiting along? Have you been waiting long? Only a few minutes. Only a few minutes. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? I like to go the beach. I like to go the beach. Would you like to have dinner with me? Would you like to have dinner with me? Yes, of course. That would be nice. Yes, of course. That would be nice. Could you have lunch together one day? Could you have lunch together one day? Yes, sure. Yes, sure. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What are you planning after work? What are you planning after work? I'm going for shopping with my friends. I'm going for shopping with my friends.